Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Russian in less than 5 minutes. Today I'm here with a new video as I promised you earlier, and in this video we are going to learn a very basic and important aspect of Russian phonetics, which is called stress system in Russian language. So we will do it very practically, so let's do some examples so that it will be clear what is the stress and how does it function in the words. So you can see the word ether. Ether, you see there is a sign in this word, a sign on the letter A. This sign is called stress in Russian language. And how do you pronounce this word? Ether. That means ether. But it is written what? Ether. O. You can see at the end the letter is O. And O is pronounced as O, as we have gone through the alphabet, right? But this is what we have to learn in this video, right? So due to the stress, right? Due to the stress, all other unstressed vowels are pronounced differently. I will let you know about some facts of Russian stress system. Stress is put only on the vowel. Number 2, generally the stress is put only on one vowel in a word. Number 3, a stressed vowel is like A, that you see where the stress is. So the stressed vowel is distinguished by a particular sound with a longer pronunciation and high tone, like ether. You see in this word, you feel that A is pronounced longer with high tone and with a particular sound. Talking about another fact, that the vowel ya is always stressed in any word. If you find ya, that means that vowel is stressed, all other vowels are unstressed. Now we will talk about the pronunciation of the letter O when it is stressed in a word or unstressed in a word, because this is very confusing for the beginners, I think. So let's do it through the examples. We have two examples, on and ana. On means he, ana means she. So in these two words we will see how O is pronounced differently when it is stressed and when it is unstressed. So when it is stressed, that means in the first word on, in the word on, O is stressed. That is why it has a particular sound and pronounced longer with a high tone, on, right? And whereas if we talk about the another word ana, there the stress falls on the last vowel a. That is why O is unstressed and pronounced as ana, not ona but ana. So this was the difference between two sounds. I mean when O is stressed and when O is unstressed. Going further, all other vowels like u, u, ya, a, all of these vowels are pronounced very shorter when they are unstressed. Like for example, you can listen in the words like sauce, jurist, kniga. So this is how the stress system works in Russian language. So these were some basic rules of stress system in Russian phonetics, and I did not go to the advanced level because it can be confusing for you. As far as you are beginners, you must not be confusing in the starting. That's why I made it very easy for you. And if you work at home for some minutes, it will be enough to understand it better. And I think that it's enough for today, and thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have already subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe it right now and share with others also. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.